welcome back to our channel. Today we are gonna see how to install Kali Purple on VirtualBox in Windows 11. So let's get started. Open your browsers. Here I am using my Brave browser and type kali.org and click on the download button and scroll down. You can navigate it to the installer images. You can see here, scroll down and you can see here Kali Purple, and here it will shows this only for the 64-bit only, and click on the download button and immediately it will start the downloading. So here I'm cancelling because I already installed it. After downloading the Kali Purple ISO file, open your VirtualBox. Here click on new and type whatever you want. Here I'm giving my name as Kali Purple and that's it, and give the Linux type and versions also Linux 2.6 64-bit and click on next, and the base memory give approximately 9 GB. And processors, and here I am giving the virtual hard disk as an 50 GB. And click on next and click on finish, and that's it. It created the Kali Purple. Now go to the settings and go to the advanced. Here shared clipboard as an bidirectional and drag and drop as also bidirectional, and go to the systems. No need any changes. Here you already given, and go to the network adapters. Here give the bridge adapter. Here I am using Wi-Fi, so it's showing the Wi-Fi. If you use Ethernet, it will show the Ethernet, and that's it. Click on OK, and now start. Now you can see here a pop-up game. Here it's asking VirtualBox VM. We didn't give the any ISO file, so it's asking. Here we should select the ISO file. Click on the others and go to wherever you downloaded that ISO file. And you can see here Kali Linux 2023.3 installer Purple. Here click on that and click on open and click on mount and retry boot. And that's it. It will takes time to mount and reboot. You can see here it will asking the graphical installations are installed. Here I am selecting the graphical installation and click enter. It's done. Here you should select this language. Here I am selecting the English, and after that here you should select your country. Here I am taking United States and click on the continue, and you should configure your keyboard. Here I am configuring my keyboard as an American English. Here you can see the configuration of the net. You should enter your host name. Here I am using Kali as my host name and click on the continue. And here you should give your domain name. Here also I am giving Kali and clicking on continue. And your full name or username, whatever you want. Here also I am giving Kali purple and clicking on continue and click on continue. Here you should choose your password. Here I am giving as my password as a Kali, as you can see here, and also re-enter your password and click on the continue. Here you should configure your clock. Here I am in the time zone of Eastern, so I am selecting the Eastern time zone. Click on the continue. After that it will take time to load up. It will partitions for the disks and everything of your, and you can see here it asking partition disks. I am selecting the first option and clicking on the continue, and also nothing want to change here. Click on the continue, and also I am giving here all files in one partitions and selecting that and clicking on the continue and click on again continue, and here you should change no to yes. Click on continue. And here no need any changes, just keep like that and click on the continue. and here you can see that it asking install grub bootloader. You can click on yes and continue and select the second option here and click on the continue, and that's it. It will install the grub bootloader and it will takes little time. That's it. That's it. Here it's asking the please choose to continue to reboot. Click on the continue and it will reboot the Kali Purple. Here you can see it's rebooting. Will boot up. Yeah, it's booting up. And here enter your credentials. Here I am giving my username as a Kali Purple and my password as a Kali and login. And that's it. You entered into your Kali Purple, and here you should maximize. You can click on the view and adjust window size. See here it's adjusted as per your window size, and you can see everything is in the defense as a Kali Purple. And here you enter into the Kali Purple interface, and everything you are seeing, that is the Kali Purple user interface. And that's it for today, guys. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell icon. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends.